Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw the BLACKPINK logo. We show you the step-by-step method of doing it right and provide the correct measurements if you want to be exact. We're going to measure 22 centimeters for the length of the entire BLACKPINK logo and 3 centimeters for each letter's height. Make sure your lines are perpendicular by using the markings on the ruler or set square. Join the lines to make a rectangle. All of our letters are going to fit inside this guide. The first letter is 2 centimeters, so we mark this. Then we leave a centimeter between each individual letter of the logo. Again, we mark 2 centimeters with half a centimeter for the next 2 letters. For the third letter, the reverse C of black, we're going to mark 3 centimeters because it is a little bigger. We finish black with another 2 centimeters for the K. Between the words black and pink, we're going to leave a 1 centimeter gap. For the remaining letters, we draw 2 centimeter letters with a half centimeter space between them. Now we draw vertical lines to mark a section for each letter. For the B, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines with a horizontal line through the centre. For the A, we're going to do the same thing, but instead of a horizontal line, we will draw a vertical one. For the C, we draw 2 diagonals with both vertical and horizontal lines, which create a cross. Using the horizontal lines as a guide, we draw these lines for the P and 2 Ks. We start the letters by drawing a little line for the side of the B, and then 2 semicircles with smaller circles in the middle. For the L, these lines are about half a centimeter. For the A, we draw a half centimeter at the top middle, draw the lines down, and then leave half centimeters for the bases. The C is slightly more complicated as we will have to draw a freehand circle with a smaller circle in the middle. Try to maintain a half centimeter width all the way around. The C is reversed, so we draw 2 lines here and here using our guidelines from before. For the K, we also want to keep the ½ centimeter width. We use our guidelines to draw the shape. The P is the same as the B except with one semicircle, although the bottom of this circle is lower than the middle. The I is simply two vertical lines a ½ centimeter apart. We use essentially two of the I's we have just drawn for the N. Like the C, the N is reversed, so we draw a ½ centimeter diagonal in the opposite direction. The last K is the same as before. The BLACKPINK logo has a border around it which we start by marking 1 centimeter away from each side horizontally and vertically. Connect the lines with the rule, but make sure to draw a little extra to help as a guide. We need to draw the same box again, except a ½ centimeter further away. Now we will ink with our fine black pen. Use the rule again to draw the square, as it will be hard to draw it straight freehand. For the last step, we colour all the letters with a thick black marker. You can use pink if you prefer. Here is our finished BLACKPINK logo. If you want to see any more logos or related designs for your favourite bands, let us know about them in the comments. Like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.